Hi, my name is Joe Geosits. I'm a service manager here at Competition BMW. I'd like to show you what it looks like to drop your vehicle off for a service appointment here with our dealership. When you arrive for service at the dealership, you can pull right through the overhead door. The door will open automatically, so there's no need to get out of your car. Once you pull inside, you'll be greeted by one of our valets. They're going to direct you inside where you're going to be signing in for your appointment at our reception desk. From that point, you're going to be seated with one of our service advisors who will help you with the rest of your visit. Your service advisor will come and get you from our waiting room to be written up for service. At that time, you'll express any concerns you have with your vehicle and the reason why you brought it in today. Any arrangements will be made for a loaner vehicle, how to contact you, update your contact information, and anything else might be necessary for your visit today for service. Behind the scenes in our shop, we have over 20 factory-trained technicians ready to assist you with anything your vehicle needs. We also have state-of-the-art equipment, 2 alignment racks, multiple tire machines, wheel balancers, and anything you might need to take care of your car. In our parts department, we're fully stocked, ready to assist you with your accessories and replacement parts as needed. If you choose to wait for your vehicle, we have our customer waiting area, complimentary gourmet coffee for you Starbucks lovers, bottles of water and refreshments to keep you comfortable while you wait. And while you're here for service, if you're in the market for a new vehicle, we have a full showroom ready to deliver on the spot. Thank you for taking a tour with me of our facility. Whether you're choosing to wait for your vehicle or taking advantage of one of our over 100 loaner vehicles, Competition Service is here to help. Thank you for your time. Look forward to seeing you soon.